everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make a grad shirt. For this project, all you need is a shirt and some heat transfer vinyl, or HTV for short. Obviously, you can make these for graduation, but a trend going on these days is to actually make one of these and give it to your kindergartner or grade 1er at the beginning of school. You take a picture of them wearing it and then hide it away to give to them again when they graduate, with a picture of them as a little kid as well. I love this idea, so I'm making mine for 2035. Let's get started in Design Space. This design is super simple. Just add a text box and put in class of. I'll change the font. The one I want today is KG Lego House, which I downloaded from dafont.com. If you're looking for a font that you know you have downloaded, but it isn't on the list, there are a few different headings at the top. Just click on the system heading here, and there it is. Add in another text box and write in the year. I need 2035 for this shirt. I want this font to be bold, so I'll change it to Impact. Now I can resize these until they look good together. I'm happy with that, so now I'll just select both layers and press Attach. The shirt I'm putting this design on is an adult medium, so I'll make the whole design 9 inches wide. That is done, so I can press Make It. I'll be cutting on a mat. When you're using HTV, don't forget to click this mirror button right here. You will end up flipping the design over on the shirt, and if you don't click this button, it will end up backwards. Design Space is done, so now let's get the HTV ready. I'll just cut it down to size. If you haven't used HTV before, there are two sides. The shiny side is the liner or carrier sheet, and the more matte side is the actual vinyl. This is the side that will stick to the fabric. If you have a brayer, use it to stick the HTV down nice and smooth. Pop it into your machine and it'll do the cutting. Grab your weeding tool to pull off the background. It's easier to weed if you just leave the vinyl on the mat for this step. Once it's ready, flip the mat over and pull the mat away from the vinyl. Now I can prep the shirt. Put down a heat mat or a towel. This shirt is a cotton poly blend, so I have my heat press set to 315 degrees for 30 seconds. I'll prep the shirt by using a lint roller to take off any loose fibers that might be on there. And then I'll use my heat press to press the shirt for 5 seconds. Prepping the shirt doesn't take long, but it does make a big difference on how well your vinyl will stick to the shirt in the long run. Now I can put the design into position with the vinyl facing down and the liner side up. I'm happy with the placement, so I can grab my heat press and press down using light pressure and keeping the press still the whole time. Once the timer is done, flip it over and do the back for an extra 15 seconds. Wait about a minute, and once it's cool to the touch, you can pull off the carrier sheet. Well, there you have it. This shirt is done and ready for pictures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.